Hello and welcome back. Today we are going to be making some stabbing sounds. So there are again a lot of different materials you can use to create stabbing sounds. I have a couple of my favorites right here. I'm going to have a head of iceberg lettuce. I'm going to have a little bit of cabbage right here. And then I'm also going to have a melon right there. So what I'm going to do, I have a couple different knives and we're going to go ahead and just stab into them. And again, just like always, I'm going to go ahead and put my headphones on. All right. And again, this is why it's really important to make sure you're wearing headphones so you can kind of hear what it sounds like as you're stabbing the fruit and vegetables. So a lot of times you're going to find that the melon is going to be really good for kind of a skull type sound. And then if you switch over to the lettuce, you're going to get a nice kind of more fleshy sound. So the key is here, you're kind of getting that nice crisp sound of the knife kind of going in, and then you're going to take some of that squishing sound we recorded on the first day and kind of layer it on top. You can get some really cool, gruesome sounds. So that's the lettuce right here. Switch knives. Also get some on the base right there. All right, now we're going to switch over to the cabbage. It's going to be a little firmer sound. All right, well, there you have it. Those are going to be some stabbing sounds. Hope you come back tomorrow.